AllTrails is a great place to find trails for hiking or trail running, but they paywall offline navigation behind their premium subscription service, which I find annoying. So here's how you can get around that. First, you're going to need the OSM and app. It might be pronounced Osmond or Osmand, I'm not really sure, but you'll notice I'm on Android. This app is available for both iOS and Android, and these instructions are pretty similar regardless of what smartphone you use. Let's open up the AllTrails app and find a trail to hike. Now that I've found one, I might be tempted to click download, but that takes me to this upsell. So let's back out of that and instead click share, then copy. Open your web browser and paste in the link. I had to delete a bunch of text that they added at the start. You might have to log in, but you should see a page that looks a lot like the page in the app. Click the More button and then Download Route. GPX track is fine, so hit OK. Once this downloads, open the file in OSM and you'll see the GPX file is loaded in and ready to navigate completely offline. I'll link a video in the description with more detailed instructions on using this app. If you're a Garmin user, you may have noticed earlier when we clicked on More that there was also this option for Send to Garmin that is also paywalled. That's not a problem. This is actually pretty easy to do yourself as long as you have the Garmin Connect app installed. Download the GPX file the same as before, but then open it up in the Garmin Connect app instead of OSM and. Select a course type, then swipe up from the bottom and rename your course. Click Done, then send it to your compatible Garmin device and use like normal.